Hello Pratik.
Hello.
From which person you are inspired?
I inspire a lot of person, but the way of inspiring is another different. That is my parents.
So that was a very appreciative steps by the government of India to ban TikTok here. It was that kind of very nonsense platform.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a scientist.
Why do you want to become scientist, and who appreciated about this?
Because I wanted to be a scientist so I could research on different things.
Career. I want to become a English commentator. That's why I am here. It's my main motive. I need your blessings and your support, and Abdullah sir is behind me. So God will be graceful.
Pressure, and I think this pressure is more in the cities and less in the villages, because in the villages the parent don't pressurize their children to become something very big. They are very happy if their child is.
So sir, how do you think that this institute would help you in your profession?
So, what about you thinking about the elections yesterday?
Yeah, I saw news that in election, like I also thought that there were there was a BJP and Congress. I think they were attacking with each other. So BJP has won. It is very happy news for all of us.
So, according to you, who will be the PM?
I think Mr. Narendra Modi.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Like what you would like to do, or what are you interested in normally?
So if I talk about, like, as far my hobbies are concerned, I love to play cricket and chatting with my friends. Like whenever I get free time, I play cricket and I read a lot of books. Like till now, I have read 13 books. So I get a lot of knowledge from that.
So do you watch cricket matches as you are interested in playing cricket?
Yeah, sometime I watch.
So can you like tell us one of the most memorable moment you remember while watching cricket, or one of the shots you remember about one of your favorite players?
When India lost World Cup, so I was very unhappy on that time.
You were very
Unhappy.
Why do you want to become an IAS officer? What is the reason?
Okay, it's good question that I want to become an IAS officer, because before 2 or 3 years, I don't know what is IAS. I didn't know what is IAS, but my father used to see interviews of IAS officers, and I also used to say. So my father appreciated and my parents appreciated about this, and I even don't know that how to become an IAS officer. So my father appreciated, and now I also want to become an IAS officer, because we get respect from IAS.
That's great answer.
What subjects are you interested in, and which stream would you be pursuing in your higher studies?
I'm interested in, like, if I talk about, I like all subjects, but most I like English, and like I would like to take stream science.
Okay, which stream in science would you be taking, PCM or PCB?
PCB.
PCB. So, as you said, English is your favorite subject as of right now. So, why would you be taking PCB? Do you want to be a doctor?
Yeah. First, I would like to clear my NEET exam. Doctor, I was before some time I was thinking that I will become an IAS, but if I didn't get any rank, any number in IAS, but after doing MBBS, I will do prepare for IAS, because if I don't get in marks in IAS, so I am safe, because I have become doctor.
But you know, if you will be doing MBBS, you will first do a UG and then you will have to do PG as well. So it will take a lot of time. So how will you prepare for IAS exam side by side, because MBBS is a time-taking subject?
I know that it takes 5 years MBBS, but after, like, if I will try, if I get marks, so I will. Otherwise, my life will be safe in doctor.
Okay, thank you.
Play cricket. Who's your favorite cricketer?
Cricket player?
Yeah.
From India or another country?
In the world?
Like from India, I like Rohit Sharma, and from another country, like I can tell David Warner.
David Warner. What's the things you like in David Warner?
Like when he comes, like he does, I think, opening he comes in second or third time, I'm unable to remember. But the way he plays, I like so too much.
That's very good, everybody. Please give everyone a applause for Pratik. That's right.
Hello, Pratik.
Hello.
From which person you are inspired?
I inspire a lot of person, but the way of inspiring is another different. That is my parents, because the way my parents inspired, that is so much different. People, another people. Like whenever I get demotivation, like before, I would like to tell a story. Before, like in 8th class, I was sick and my final exams is going to be happen, and I thought that my annual exam was about to come and I was sick. So I thought that I can't clear, I will have to do again 8th class. But my father and my parents motivated about this, and then I did clear my 8th exam.
That's really good.
Hi, I'm Mansi and I'm from Delhi and I'm live in Growing Sector 38 and ना मैंने कुछ कहा है ना उसने कुछ सुना है, ये ख्वाब तो अकेले मेरी आँखों ने बुना है, तड़प है बस मेरी और गरूर बस मेरा है, नहीं वो इसमें शामिल कसूर बस मेरा है, तो क्या हुआ नहीं समझता प्यार वो मेरा प्यार एक तरफा, ये बहार एक तरफा, मेरा प्यार एक तरफा, ये बहार एक तरफा, कभी रोशनी सी सुबह कभी धुंधली धुंधली रातें, कोई सरफिरा ही समझे ये सरफिरी सी बातें, कोई सरफिरा ही समझे ये सरफिरी सी बातें.
Where do you spend your leisure time?
So I spend my time by watching movies generally, or by going somewhere with my friends, or if I have to talk honest, I spend most of time on my phone talking to people I like, and that's it. That's how I spend my time.
Do you think that it's a good thing to spend a lot of time in phone?
That depend on the purpose, like why you're using mobile. If you are talking like you are talking nonsense on the mobile, that's other thing. And if you are using mobile for news consumption, watching movies, and that's other thing. So that's depend upon the purpose, like why you're using mobile.
So you all the time you use your phone just for a purpose, and you don't watch any other.
See, I've seen many people who are scrolling through reels, so I'm thankful for myself that I have not developed that much. Even I don't have Instagram. I don't use Instagram, so I don't scroll through reels. Even I have said in my house that Instagram reels is banned, so I don't use Instagram reels, and I don't let other people also use Instagram.
So you are not that much active on social media. So what would you say that other people who are very fond of reels and who are very active on social media and they are spending their lot of time to all these gadgets?
Okay, so the thing is, I've developed a mentality to not watch reels or anything that is very addictive. So one of the places that I've come to know that this is very addictive is I've seen one of the movies that was on Netflix. So that was a kind of a study which revealed that the companies want to take our most of the hours. They wanted to take our hours and spend it on this Instagram reels, Facebook, and all the other things. By this they are making money. By taking our attention they are making money. So we should better like I want to develop myself, not give attention to other social media apps or anything that is addictive. Even games are addictive, so I don't pay much of attention over there.
So what would be your suggestion to the kids and who are adopting these things, and what would you say to those people?
So my answer is that even I have seen US congressional hearing was going on. So what happens in US that the court can invite you, or the CEO of the companies, they get invited and answer some of the questions. So when the CEO of the TikTok app was asked whether you let your children to use this app or not. So he said, I don't let him to use this app. So do you see that even he is not letting his child to not use this app? And when he was asked why don't you let your own children to use this app, so he simply said that I live in Singapore, even I am a citizen of China. So in Singapore it is banned for the children below the age to use such app that is addictive.
Do you think that here in India there should be allow this the criteria of of these things, that the below of this under age of kids, they are not allowed to, they should not allowed to use phone? And
So I think that the government of India should regulate all the things related to this. Also, that was a very appreciative steps by the government of India to ban TikTok here, because that kind of very nonsense platform. So that was a good step, and also they should pay heed or attention to Instagram and all the other social media. Although I use, if I have to honest, I don't use Instagram and other apps, but I use Twitter for news purposes, and also that's meme purpose and all the other things. But I am not at least addictive. I think that if I'm going towards the addiction, I generally uninstall the app for at least 1 month or 2 months. That's how I don't get myself into trouble in addiction.
thank you.
Very nice.
Mr. Sanjay,
Yes.
where do you see after 5 years?
So first of all, I would, as I'm doing MBA, so I'm going towards in the line of business management. So I see myself working under someone in a big corporate, and after gaining some enough experience from the company and the people I'm working in, so I'll see myself after 5 years like working on the position of manager. Yeah, after like first I will join as a internship person, then I will go to the assistant manager, and then after some time I want to see myself as a manager at least after 5 years. That's my goal.
Sanjay, you want to go in a business field. So, what are your views that the economy can grow more with the private firms, or the government can do more for that?
But I believe that there should be more investment in the private firm as comparison to government firm, because government firm are not capable or not able to utilize that much of money, and they are not aggressive as much as the private company. But also we have to see that a private company in the way of making money, they don't go otherwise to the other way. This is what I want to say. This my
Why did you choose only Happiness Institute to learn English? There are also other institute to learn English as well.
Okay, so I've told Mr. Abdullah sir also. So what happened that my parents suggested that you should be taking personality development course. So I've taken admission in like few blocks away, one of the institute. I CM Education, something like that. So I've gone there. So it was a good enough institute. I've taken admission there. When I started to take classes there, it was totally I think it was a sham place. Like horrendous one. So when I told sir that this is what I have taken admission into, so beforehand sir told me that there are a lot of classes happening over in Lakshmi Nagar, which will tell you that in the name of personality development and how to give interview and how to take interview, they will teach you. Sheila wahan pe jati hai. Sheila used to go there and she used to cook food. So this is what the kind of English that was taught to me. So I was really embarrassed to take class there. So when I used to go there and come back to metro station to go to my own place, I saw Abdullah sir classes banner. So I decided I should. The banner was quite good. So so that's how I judged the place. So I thought that if he is the businessman or he is the teacher and he is at least spending that much of money for placing his banner on the top roof, so I think I should at least give him a chance
Okay, so now like if you are learning English and you want to be fluent in English. So why are you learning English? What will you do to learn English?
Like if I want to, so first of all, we need to practice English. And what I believe is that if you want to speak and learn English and you want to speak fluent English, there has to be an environment around you. Like if I'm in India and I'm talking to a person in English, it will maybe take for example 6 months. If I go abroad and talk to people, native people over there, maybe it will take 1 or 2 months. So that is why I believe that there has to be a surrounding of people who speak good English even around you. And the thing is that if you are talking to a person who is speaking English, there are more chances that you will copy his accent. If he is saying like many of the people make mistake, we generally say we people. So some of the people say we pupil or something like that. So we generally tend to take their accent. So like we would do not make such mistakes.
So Stuti, how are you?
I am fine. I recommend that we should do in the morning so we could have time in the afternoon because because at afternoon I'm a bit busy. I have lot of other classes to take.
Any more suggestions?
Because morning classes makes me more active and gives me a good inspiration, and I could learn at the morning time, so I get more knowledge. I am active at that time.
Thank you, Stuti.
What do you want to become?
I want to become a scientist.
Why do you want to become scientist and who appreciated about this?
Because I wanted to be a scientist, so I could research on different things which world doesn't know about, and I want to save and preserve our Mother Earth. And my parents appreciate that you will be a scientist one day.
What do you mean by scientist?
A scientist is a person which research on different organisms or different things and tell about people.
Okay.
How can we say that save the earth from the global warming? Give me 2 or 3 points about that.
First thing is we should stop using plastic. Second thing is you recycled everything you like. If you want to use something, just recycled it in the recycle bin, and that material will become a new material. I have seen that a plastic lace of chips became a bag, become a full bag, beautiful bag with lot of designs. I was really impressed. And the third thing is we should stop cutting trees for our own use.
What is your profession?
My profession is event management. I'm the person who's taking care of manpower. We do brand promotion through manpower. You must be seen in a mall activity, the people promoting their products, FMGC, like Tops, tomato ketchup and eatable thing, and some people who are taking care, who's sampling the, to person.
What is your recent promotion?
Recent promotion, I have done Samsung.
Okay,
Yes.
Samsung.
So, sir, how do you think that this institute would help you in your profession to grow?
That is very good question for me, because before starting this institute, I don't know what will be the happen with me. After the meet Mr. Abdullah sir, he is ensuring me that you are the right place.
Okay.
And I have seen her after met with him. I have seen him Google's and YouTube's channels.
Yes.
So I got to know he's the only person which is I am actually looking for.
What is your career and hobbies?
My hobby is playing cricket. Cricket in my veins. I can't move single 1 inch when it's India-Pakistan match going on. Not India-Pakistan, other match is going on. It's like career. I want to become a English commentator. That's why I'm here. It's my main motive. I need your blessings and your support. And Abdullah sir is behind me. So God will be grace with me.
You want to be a physician in your future. So what to do physicians in their life?
Check up of
all the body. What do you mean by parenting? What do you mean by parenting? What is parenting? Like parents are not able to understand the children's thoughts. They are pressing on them study. What do you mean by parenting?
Thank you for asking this question. First of all, I want to thank my parents that they did a very good parenting of mine, and I think based upon them only I can tell you that what actually parenting is. Parenting is understanding their child first of all, and in the beginning of the child's life, they have to make him comfortable that she or he can talk anything with them. Only then they can tell the solutions, because they have their solutions for every problem that their child have. And in this entire world, only the parent can be the selfish one who can never feel bad for you or do bad to you like the world will do. They will not harm you anyway. So they are the best one, and they should be like that. They should make their child comfortable so that he or she can share everything with them.
Like if I talk about like in cities or village, in cities like parents are educated, so they know that how to treat the children. But in village they don't know how to treat children, and they are pressuring on their studies, and like they are playing there. They don't know how to treat children. So what kind of tips would you like to give them?
Actually, I am not a parent, so I am not anyone to tell any parent to do this or that. And I don't even think that in villages as well, parents don't do their job nicely. A lot of people, a lot of children from the villages itself are very good in studying and very good with their parents, much more better than the city's child. So I think it's not the matter of education, not the matter of where they live. It's just the time that they give to their child.
But if I compare to cities, the villagers they have another mindset from the cities people.
Yeah, they have their mindset. Maybe in the city also parents don't give their time to their children because they work.
Yes.
Both the parents work. In the village they don't work. In most of the cases mothers don't work. They give their time to the children. So it doesn't matter if
But the pressure on their children that you have to become this, you have to study, you don't have to
this
go
is
play.
the pressure, and I think this pressure is more in the cities and less in the villages, because in the villages the parent don't pressurize their children to become something very big. They are very happy if their child is enough in doing farming itself, and if he or she can fill his stomach, they are happy. But in the cities it's the pressure that the parents build upon their child to become something successful, and